This video is brought to you thanks to the generous support of Artenda, a database presenting a clear and high-quality overview of art opportunities and open calls for artists.
Hello dear readers and subscribers. As the summer draws to a close, the art world returns to its full rhythm. For artists, this can be a rather fruitful moment, as a lot of high-impact open calls are open right now, and their deadlines are coming quickly to a close. So as a result, in this video, once more, thanks to Artenda, which is our #1 recommendation to find art opportunities, I have selected 10 open calls, free of charge, no application fees, across the globe, with some very high impact open calls that are not only a way to support your practice, but also that are a true proof of recognition. So let's have a look, and if you want to find more information about the upcoming calls, there is an online article version of this video with links to click through where to apply, and also a link to Artenda. For Berlin-based artists, the BPA Berlin program for artists offers a unique 2-year mentorship centered on exchange and critical dialogue. Founded in 2016 by artists Angela Bullock, Simon Denny and Willem de Rooij, the program connects emerging artists with experienced mentor through regular studio visits, shared critiques and public events. The fellowship is free of charge and culminates in a yearly exhibition at the KW Institute for Contemporary Art, one of the leading art institutions in the art world. There's no application fee and the deadline is September 14. The NEMO program, the Northern European Mobility Opportunity, supports early career artists and practitioners across Northern Europe with grants up to 75,000 Danish krones. Eligible applicants must reside in Denmark, Finland, Iceland, Ireland, Norway, Sweden, the United Kingdom, the Faroe Islands, Greenland or Åland, and are no students. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 15. One of the most prestigious awards available to artists, writers and scholars. The Guggenheim Fellowship has supported innovation and excellence for over 90 years. Approximately 190 fellowships are granted annually to mid-career professionals in the arts, humanities and sciences across the United States and Canada. Open to all artistic disciplines, the fellowship provides flexible funding to support the development of ambitious projects, whether that consists of covering living expenses, materials, travel or research. While applicants must be somewhat established in their field, the award is deliberately open-ended, encouraging independent and groundbreaking work. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 16. London's renowned Gasworks residency program is currently open to artists based in West Africa, Central America, Indonesia and more, offering an 11-week fully funded stay in the city from January to March and from April to June 2026. Selected artists receive studio space, accommodation, travel reimbursement and weekly stipends, as well as administrative and curatorial support. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 15 and September 29. For artists and organizations rooted in Manhattan, the LMCC's Manhattan Arts Grant offer crucial early support that often becomes a stepping stone to larger opportunities. Since 1983, LMCC has been central to sustaining Manhattan's cultural vibrancy, with its grants ranging from $4,000 to $16,000, often serving as a first recognition for emerging practitioners. Artists from all artistic disciplines are eligible for this open call, provided they are emerging artists based in New York. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 16. The Queen's Museum Jerome Foundation Fellowship provides a major career boost for 2 emerging New York City artists. Fellows receive $20,000, 1 year of professional mentorship, and the opportunity to develop a solo exhibition at the Queen's Museum in 2027. The program is designed for artists who have completed their studies, but have not yet received substantial institutional or market recognition. More than just funding, this fellowship offers mentorship, community engagement, and a crucial first institutional exhibition. There is no application fee, and the deadline is September 22.
To mark two major anniversaries in 2026, the 10th year of Le Corbusier's UNESCO World Heritage recognition and the 20th anniversary of the inauguration of his Saint-Pierre church, Site Le Corbusier in Firminy, France, is commissioning a large-scale immersive work. With a budget of 70,000 euros, this open call invites artists working in digital art, sound art, video, or installation to propose an ambitious light-based project that engages directly with Le Corbusier's modernist architecture. The selected work will be on view from July 2025 to January 2027. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 30. Located at Reed Hall in Paris, the Columbia Institute for Ideas and Imagination offers one of the most generous international fellowships available to artists and writers. With a stipend of $75,000, fellows spend the full academic year from September to May pursuing independent projects while engaging with an interdisciplinary cohort of up to 15 participants. Each year, the Institute welcomes Columbia faculty alongside artists, writers, and thinkers from across the globe, excluding the United States, to foster an environment of intellectual and creative exchange. There is no application fee and the deadline is September 30. Based in Los Angeles, the Getty Fellowships provide 9 months of support for researchers and emerging scholars working across art history, humanities, and cultural studies, with stipends of $35,000, travel funding and accommodation included. For artists and scholars seeking to deepen research-driven projects within an internationally represented framework, the Getty Fellowship is a rare and career-defining opportunity. There is no application fee and the deadline is the 1st of October. Every year, Apex Art invites creative individuals worldwide to submit proposals for group exhibitions in its New York City space. With a $10,000 budget and full institutional support, selected projects become part of Apex Art's programming and are realized in one of the city's most dynamic contemporary art contexts. Open to artists, curators, writers, and thinkers, regardless of background or experience level, this call emphasizes originality, idea-driven curatorial concepts, and inclusivity. There is no application fee and the deadline is the 1st of October. Of course, there are a lot of more interesting opportunities that might fit better to you, because please note that the selected 10 open calls are actually at quite a high level. So definitely make sure to have a look at artenda.net to find more art opportunities that might suit your career stage better, or simply the eligibility conditions that are more focused on where you are based. Thank you so much for tuning in today. Feel free to watch also the video on 5 golden rules for applying to art opportunities next. Support us on Patreon and please consider subscribing to stay posted for more contemporary art. Bye.